How to change date of birth on Epic Games. I will show you in just small steps how you can change date of birth on Epic Games. It's very easy to do it. So it doesn't matter if you're logged in into your Epic Games website or Epic Games application. So here you can see I'm into the website. Now click on and make sure you're logged in, right? So you can see that you have to click on your profile icon, then just go to your account section here. And once you're into the account section, you will see option which is called parental control on the left side. Click on it. You will have to enter a pin. If you don't have a pin, then you have to make a pin, then only you will able to access it. So make sure you just make a pin and just click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, you have to just wait for a few seconds here. And guys, once you're here, you have to just scroll a little bit down, and here you can see it. So here you have to just increase the bar, right? So for example, this is 3 plus 7 plus 12 plus of the years, and 16 plus and 18 plus, and this is unrated. So you can just select any one of it, and in this way you can change the age restriction or age in your Epic Games account. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.